lower radio frequencies like 400 megahertz. And if it is located on the left-hand side of that trail, of that rail like this, that means that the telescope is looking in this direction. Now, you can change this. Sometimes this is working. Oh, you see, by moving this on the rail, you can direct the telescope into different parts of the sky. Okay, so you can rotate this, and also you can make it. Oh, it doesn't want to go any further. Okay. Now it's coming closer to the center, and that means that if it comes to the center, the telescope is looking straight up. Okay, so this way you can observe a piece of the sky, which is a circle, with the center at zenith, 20 degrees from zenith in each direction. So, because of rotation of the Earth, the sky is moving, and the diameter of this circle is 40 degrees, which means that if you are observing a source which has declination equal to the geographic latitude of the place where we are, the longest observation that you can make is slightly below 3 hours. And then next time you can observe this next day, and then next day, and then next day. So that is a disadvantage, because other big telescopes in the world can be steered to any place in the sky, but they are much smaller. The second telescope in the world is only 101 meters in diameter, which is 3 times smaller than that. Okay, 3 times smaller than that, which means the area of the surface is 9 times smaller, which means that the energy which this telescope is able to catch is 9 times smaller. Okay, so that means that many objects that you can see with this telescope, the second largest telescope is not able to see, because the signal would be too weak. So this is the largest and the most sensitive instrument in the world. Now, it is quite interesting to look at the platform. The platform is hanging on the cables. You will see in the control room that there is a special device with a special monitor, which shows what is the distance between the platform and the dish, and this is monitored in real time. So you can see, because you have to compensate for the change in the temperature and everything. You have to keep the distance always the same, because you want to focus the radiation always in the same place. The weight of this platform, together with everything else, is about 900 tons. This platform is huge. It is this triangular platform is about 300 feet on each side, okay, which is 100 meters. From here, when you look at it, it doesn't look really very impressive, okay. But once I was lucky enough to go up there to the platform, I can tell you this is a different world, okay. It is really extremely impressive. And later, when we go to the control room, in the corridor you will see all the pictures that show stages how the telescope was built, and the towers and the dish, and also how the platform was built and then raised up. Now, what you will see later is something that here you don't see. In the middle of the dish, you will see a hole, a rectangular opening, okay? And that is left on purpose, because if you want to install a new equipment on the platform, the only way how you can do it is you go under the telescope, attach cables, and then lift it up. Okay? So this is the only way how you can install something on the platform. And